गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम क्लास 10 साइंस फिजिक्स में चैप्टर नंबर 14 सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी के नोट्स पढ़ेंगे। ए सोर्स बाय विच वी कैन फुलफिल आवर नीड्स बाय बर्निंग इट to get energy from a long period of time is called source of energy. There are two types of source of energy: non-renewable source of energy and renewable source of energy. Non-renewable source of energy, those source of energy which have accumulated in nature over a very long time and cannot be quickly replaced when exhausted are called non-renewable source of energy. These are dug out from the earth, for example fossil fuels. Renewable source of energy, the sources of energy which are being produced continuously in nature are inexhaustible are called renewable source of energy. Good source of energy, whenever work has to be done, energy is needed. The qualities of good source of energy are following features. Number 1, which can do a large amount of work per unit mass, which is cheap and easily available, which is easy to store and transport, which is safe to handle and use, which does not cause pollution. Fuels, the material which are burnt to produce heat energy are known as fuel. For example, wood, coal, kerosene, diesel, etc. Calorific value, the amount of heat produced by burning 1 gram of fuel completely is called its calorific value. Different fuels have different calorific values. Characteristics of an ideal fuel: it should have a high calorific value, it should burn without giving out any smoke or harmful gases, it should have a proper igneous temperature, it should be cheap and easily available, it should burn smoothly, it should be easily to handle. Conventional source of energy, the traditional source of energy which are familiar to most people are called conventional source of energy. Fossil fuel, a natural fuel formed deep under the earth from the prehistorical remains of living organisms is called a fossil fuel. Solar energy, the energy given or taken by the sun is called solar energy. The solar energy is directly absorbed by plants with the help of green leaves. Coal. Coal is a complex mixture of compounds of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It is good fuel because it produces more heat and does not produce smoke while burning. Uses of coal. It is used in homes and industries. It is used in power plants for generating electricity. It is used in manufacturing of fuel gases like coal gas. Used in manufacturing of petrol. Petroleum. It is a complex mixture of several solids, liquid and gaseous hydrogen carbon mixed with water, salt and earth particles. Fuel oil is better fuel than coal because fuel oil burns completely and does not leave any residue. LPG gas. It also consists of mainly butane which has been liquefied by applying pressure. Advantage of LPG. It has a high calorific value. It burns with smokeless flame. It is easy to handle. Natural gas. It mainly consists of methane with a small quantity of ethane and propane. It consists of 95% of methane. It is formed under the earth by decomposition of vegetable matter lying underwater. Use of natural gas. Used in domestic and industrial fuel. Used in thermal power station for generating electricity. Used as fuel in transport. Thermal power plant. The plant in which electricity is generated by water is called thermal power plant. They are generally situated near rivers. First of all, the water is stored in the beaker called reservoir to make steam. After that, this steam is pulled in the turbine, which rotates the turbine, which is connected to the generator, which rotates the shaft of the generator, and electricity is produced. Alternative source of energy. Those sources of energy which are not based on the burning of fossil fuel or the splitting of atom of nuclear fuel are called alternative source of energy. They are called non-conventional source of energy. Hydropower plant. In this, the flowing water energy is used to generate electric energy. It converts the potential energy of water stored in the reservoir into electric energy. Advantage of generating hydroelectricity. To generate electricity from flowing water, it does not produce any environment pollution. It is renewable source of electric energy. The construction of dams on river helps in controlling floods. Disadvantage of generating hydroelectricity. Number 1, large area of agricultural land is destroyed. Number 2, large ecosystem is destroyed. Number 3, fishes have to suffer due to construction of dams. Wind energy. Moving air is called wind. The wind processes kinetic energy. It blows due to uneven heating of earth by sun. This energy is used by using windmills. In windmills, big blades are used which rotates the blades very fast, which is connected to the shaft of motor, which is then used to do so many mechanical works. Nowadays, wind energy is also used to generate electricity. Windmills are situated in open areas and at a height due to acquire high pressure of air. Solar energy. The energy obtained from the sun is called solar energy. Nuclear fusion reaction take place inside the sun. Its rays are radiated in all directions. The solar energy is trapped directly by plants to prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Solar constant. The amount of solar energy received per second by 1 square meter area of the Earth's space at average distance between Sun and Earth is called solar constant. Solar energy devices. A device which gets heated by using sun heat energy is called a solar heating device. For example, in solar cooker, solar cells. Solar cell is a device which converts solar energy directly into electricity. Solar panel. So, a solar panel consists of large number of solar cells joined together in a definite pattern. Difference between sun source and fossil fuels. Sun source, fossil fuel. Number 1, it is renewable source of energy. It is non-renewable source of energy. It does not cause any pollution. It causes pollution. It is available in diffuse. It is present in concentrated form. It is available in daytime only. It is present all the time. Biomass energy. Biomass included wood, agriculture, waste and cow dung. It is renewable source. Wood is also a big biomass whose better form is charcoal. Energy from the sea. Energy from the sea can be obtained mainly in 3 forms: tidal energy, wave energy, ocean thermal energy. The tidal energy can be harnessed by constructing a tidal barrage or tidal dam. The rise and the fall of sea water during high and low tides is not enough to generate electricity on large scale. The energy obtained the sea waves is called wave energy. It is used to generate electricity. Ocean thermal energy. The energy available due to the difference in the temperature of water at the surface of the ocean at deeper level is called ocean thermal energy, OTE. Nuclear energy. The energy released during a nuclear reaction is called nuclear energy. It can be obtained by 2 types. Nuclear reaction is in the form of heat, nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Nuclear fission, the process in which the heavy nucleus of radioactive atom such as uranium splits up into smaller nuclei when bombarded with low energy neutrons is called nuclear fission. For example, nuclear bomb or atom bomb. Einstein mass energy relation. Einstein said that mass and energy are related by the equation E equals to mc square. Nuclear fission, the process in which 2 nuclei of the light elements combine to form a heavy nucleus is called nuclear fission. For example, in hydrogen bombs. That's all in this video.